Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, a half teaspoon of salt will perfectly balance the sweetness. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. After mixing, it's time to chill. Divide your dough in half, flatten each portion into a disc, and wrap them tightly in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour or even up to 2 days to prevent spreading. Once chilled, lightly flour your work surface and roll out 1 disc of dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Now comes the fun part. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create delightful shapes. Remember to re-roll scraps gently. Finally, let's bake and decorate. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your cut-out cookies onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch between them. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are just lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, unleash your creativity with icing and sprinkles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.